So we live here in Southern Florida, and there's nothing that I like better than having every door in the back of the house going out to the pool open. I love that outside feel inside the house. That was the whole point of moving here to Florida. Beautiful weather all the time. But part of the fee for that is those little critters tend to fly into the house sometimes. So when Vortex reached out to me about reviewing their new flying insect catcher, I was like, hell yeah, send it to me. They gave me no instructions. They just said it's new, it works great, try it out. And so that's what we're gonna do. In this video, what I am gonna do is I'm gonna take it inside, set it up, and I'm gonna leave it there for a week or two, see what kind of stuff we catch. Maybe I'll leave the doors open a little extra when the Nikki's not looking, just to make sure we get a good firm test. But I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna tell you honestly, was it loud? Was it annoying having it in the kitchen running all the time? Was it too bright, or was it just a cool blue in the background? All those kind of things which kind of can vary between models. So I'm gonna give you that feedback. If that kind of feedback's helpful to you, please give this video a like. That's really important to us. Also subscribe, because we always have cool things like this to talk about. Finally, if there's something you want me to talk about, put it in the comment below. We'll find a way to get it in here. All right, let me go set it up, use it for about a week or two. I'll come back and talk to you about it. Okay, I know outdoors on a daybed is not the normal place to finish a conversation about a bug catching device, but it's beautiful out today, so I thought I had to take advantage of it. So we have both this one and its arch enemy, starting with a K, the Gorilla, in the market, running side by side inside. It's been about a week, and I can tell you for sure when they are side by side, this one is much quieter, which is a really nice thing. Only if it still catches little flying buggies. So let me show you what we got in just a week. I told you I cheated a little bit. I left the back door open just to incite troublemakers. And this is what I got on there, which I think is pretty impressive, because thankfully Nikki keeps the house great. We don't have a whole bug infestation going on. We just have the occasional little fruit fly which decides to come visit. So if you're looking for a quiet and effective little bug catcher for the inside of your house, it is both attractive, quiet, and works. I said both. I think I have to say those three things are all functional. So if 3 things out of 3 things works, that means it's a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.